Hi there guys, so today I bring to you an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 in the shadow blue colour. I've really been looking forward to this one. Big fan of the Flip Samsung phones, even though I am an iPhone user. I just love the form factor and the kind of novelty of it, I guess. But yeah, let's get unboxing. So let's see what's in this big brown box. And there we have it, just the phone. There we go. So I have had quite a few of the Flips before, and yeah, I love them. I love the form factor and everything. So yeah, let's just have a quick look around the box. It says Flip 7, very plain box. You just get the phone, the SIM eject tool, and that's more or less it. So yeah, let's get unboxing. Got these handy pull tabs that we're just gonna Now that is an absolutely lovely colour. I love that blue. It's such like a deep, well, shadow blue. It's kind of like a midnight blue, I'd say. Let's take it out. It's a lot, well, not a lot, but it's definitely wider this year as well, compared to previous versions. So you get quite a bit more screen real estate. It is 6.9 inches diagonally inside, so that's good. And then there's a 4.1 actual screen on the back, I believe. All of this is screen, which is a really good change, and you'll be able to do more from that back screen now. Let's just take a look and see what else is inside the box. There we go. We've just got some documentation. We've got a SIM eject tool, and then we've also got the USB-C to USB-C cable, and that's everything you get in the box. So let's now move to the best bit, which is taking off the cellophane wrappers of the phone itself. Sorry if you can hear my dog having a drink in the background there. There we go, first flip. And the front one. It's always quite satisfying. But yeah, it does look absolutely lovely in this shadow blue colour. Really like it. I usually go for black phones, but yeah, I think this looks really, really nice. The crease, you can kind of barely see it. I feel like it's always like that when you first get it, but then obviously after a few flips you will start to notice that a bit more, but it's still quite minimal this year, I'd say. .9 inches, like I said. One interesting thing to note this year is that when you do the fingerprint, they've kind of changed the way that you do it. Instead of releasing and pressing down, you can just kind of move your thumb over. So I'll show that in a second. So let's go on to the fingerprint bit. Like it's showing on the screen, you kind of move your thumb around, up and down and around, instead of just removing and putting back on like you did before. So that's pretty good and a lot easier as well. So I've got it set up now, and I just want to show you this flex front screen. It's just absolutely lovely, to be honest. Like the fact that it's more or less edge to edge and it covers the whole of the screen, it's really good. So you can just, oh, my fingerprint's not matching. Let's try again. There we go. So yeah, it's just lovely that it's kind of, you can probably do a lot more on this compared to before. Yeah, just really love that look of the front screen and being able to do more on it. Let's have a look. There we go. That's cool. And then so yeah, that's my initial unboxing of this phone. I know it wasn't too technical or anything like that, but yeah, let me know if you've got any questions and put them in the comments, and I'll see what I can do with replying to them. And let me know if you're getting this phone or if you're thinking about getting this phone. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.